Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my health and taste. Today we are going to make a very yummy recipe which I have named as pizza popcorn, because we are going to make popcorns which will taste like a pizza. We are going to put some pizza flavors, so you need all these ingredients. Let's start making. In a heavy bottom pan we'll add some butter, salted butter, and we'll melt it properly. Then to this we'll add corn kernels, stir them a bit and cover and cook on low flame so that the popcorns do not burn. Once they all pop, just take them out in a bowl, and we'll now mix some cheese powder to this. So about cheese powder, you can add as much as you like. There's no restriction. You have to put generously, otherwise it won't reach all the popcorns. So after putting cheese powder, you just have to shake it really well and mix all the cheese powder on all the popcorns. Once that is done, you'll have to add oregano powder and chili flakes. I'm using the one that we get with Domino's. You can use whichever you have. Then we'll mix it again, and our yummy pizza popcorns are ready. See how yummy they are. After mixing it up all, I have again added some cheese powder from the top. You can also add as much as you want. So we are ready to, these popcorns are ready to serve now. Hope you like the recipe. Enjoy it whenever you watch movie or otherwise. Thank you.